Good morning. Remember I told you in my last video that I actually did with quakes. I told you the San Andreas fault line was actually going to get a large swarm of earthquake. Well, Los Angeles got hit a 3.2. It's pretty bad in Southern California at this point. San Andreas fault line, there's an uptick with earthquake right at Los Angeles on the coastline. A 3.2 magnitude. Now, another location where some big quakes are happening is again over there in Alaska. I told you the Aleutian Islands, my friends over there in Alaska, southern part of Alaska, is seeing a barrage. I mean, a barrage of earthquake. Um, I did say this months ago that Alaska is basically going to have, it's like a volcanic eruption is going to happen over there. I think it's at Mount Spur. It's the southern part of Alaska, south of Anchorage. That part of Alaska is seeing a lot of quakes, guys. It's there's no stopping here. Uh, the coast of the coastline there of Russia, they got hit a 6.1, and there's no stopping. There's more quakes coming. Um, I see no 6.1 basically is going to trigger more quake. This is where that 6.1 is going to trigger more quake, guys. Just to give you like guys like an idea. The Philippines, you're gonna get some hit. You're gonna get hit pretty hard. Japan and also Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. These locations are going to get pretty bad due to that big quake that happened over there in Russia. It happened early this morning, 6.1 magnitude, and yesterday evening, I think over here in on the border between Afghanistan and Pakistan. Now, there, as I said before, there's a volcano over there that's extinct that haven't erupted in over 700,000 years. It's on the verge of erupting because it's showing signs of ground swell. It was first classed as an extinct volcano that's becoming active again. So they now put it as a dormant volcano. So this volcano that happened, that's about to erupt over there in I said Afghanistan and Pakistan border, is basically a new type of volcano where an extinct volcano became dormant then become active. Modern humans have never seen this before. It doesn't mean it haven't happened. It haven't happened millions of years ago, but we haven't seen this before since we've been recording volcanic eruptions. So basically, an extinct volcano is going to become active. It's on the border between Afghanistan and Pakistan. A 6.3 magnitude hit over there, and there's more big quakes happening for that region. And again, Sindirji, Turkey, more big quakes for that region. Where I'm keeping my eyes on right now, guys, as I said, it's it's basically the Caribbean is a place where I want to keep my eyes. Southern part of Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and the British Virgin Islands is going to get active. It's basically active, and there are going to be signs of bigger quakes in the near future. And again, um, New Madrid fault line is seeing some swarms of small ones, but the area that's really we really need to pay attention to for the ending of this year is basically the San Andreas fault line, guys. It's showing of some pretty decent sized quake, as I said before, 3.2. Angeles, southern part, right on the border between San Diego and Tijuana, another 3.2. Um, Nevada, swarms of quake hitting Nevada. Again, Idaho is getting quakes. Northern part of California is also getting quakes, and the bulk of it right now is at the southern tip of Alaska, south of Anchorage, where you find that volcano that's about to basically erupt on along the Aleutian Islands, and due to the fact that those islands over there on Russia territory off the coastline is seen, there's an uptick again of seismic activity. They had a 6.1, as I said before, early this morning, which is going to send big quakes over there in the Philippines, the Banda Sea of Indonesia, which is the southern part of Indonesia, Papua New Guinea. I would say Taiwan, you're also in it. Thailand, also going to trigger quake over there in Thailand, and It is what it is, guys. This is our new reality. We just have to get adjusted to it and stay aware and stay on top of these things, because right now, I see danger coming for Alaska, southern part of Alaska, Indonesia, southern part of Indonesia, the Philippines, Papua New Guinea. Get ready, and also Sindirji, Turkey is in the crosshair for some big quakes. But as I can't stress this enough, if you're over there on the West Coast, guys, Los Angeles is getting swarms of quake, which is the San Andreas fault line. So be alert, man. Be aware of your environment and knowing that a big quake could pop off at basically any time. And again, also the Caribbean is a place I'm keeping my eyes, and also the New Madrid fault line. And this is basically what's taking part right now with the seismic activity, and also Mexico. Big quakes are hitting Mexico. Not that big, but they're pretty decent. So Mexico, yes, get ready. And also another area, which is not that serious for me to watch, but it's extremely south of Chile and Peru, towards the Antarctica. There's a fault line there that run along the shoreline of Chile and Peru that go all the way down to Antarctica. There's a swarms of quakes happening right now, right around there in Antarctica, which will send seismic activity over there in Chile and Peru, which is the southern South America. So if you're in South America too, on the coastline of Chile and Peru, stay aware, man, because big seismic activity is coming your way, and it is what it is. This is basically what's happening right now. And today's date is November 3rd, 2025, and the year is almost finished. I can't believe it, but time's flying very, very fast. But our reality have changed, and we just have to made it with it, get used to it, and we can't complain. We just have to learn to swim, ride the waves, man. So again, if you're over there on the West Coast, stay aware, very aware. If you're in Nevada, stay aware. California, stay aware. Idaho, Utah, also off the coastline of Oregon, Washington State, and Vancouver Island, Canada, and Vancouver, Canada. These areas are going to be seeing an increase in seismic activity in the coming days, especially the San Andreas fault line, guys. So again, thank you for always watching my video and for your support. I really do appreciate it, man. And I hope my information helps someone. The goal of me doing these videos is to keep people aware, especially my friends over there in California, knowing that for the next couple of days, big seismic activity is coming your way, and a swarm of them. So again, guys, thank you. Stay blessed and enjoy the cold weather.